Aussie Athlete.
Hi, I'm Grant Campbell and I'm excited to bring you a series of ultramarathon running tips. I love going in ultramarathon races, and something they make you do at races is to wear a race number, just like this one. Most races just say that you have to have it on the front of your body, and I often don't like running in a shirt. If I stick it on my shirt here, when I change shirts later in a race, because in a 100-mile race I like to change my shirt a few times if I'm wearing one. But if I've got this up here, then I've got to unpin it, pin it onto the new shirt. It wastes a lot of time. So what I love to do is put it onto my race pants, because I usually wear those the whole time. So this is an example of something I might wear for a race. Some nice stretchy Lycra pants. They have a nice pocket at the back. And I've got those down here. I would typically put a big race number like this across there and pin them on the sides, and that tends to work quite well. When I run, it doesn't really, it just crinks up the bottom of the number a little bit. But an even better solution, which still follows the race guidelines, is to fold the edges of the race number in down to a bare minimum, and just stick the number on there, because the number is really all you have to display. I think some races have rules about showing the advertising as well, but generally they don't, and this would be totally legal, and it's much more comfortable to run with this small race number on here. It doesn't get in the way, and it's just much more streamlined. So that's one simple tip. You can have a happier run with the tiny little race number just folded up.